Then I will pull out the very, very small blue discs. I'm typically going to have the cutting surface facing the handpiece. I'm going to roll to create a roll between the proximal and that line angle. And this just helps me to find the line angles. Again, looking from the incisal. So the disc will roll in and flex in like this. And then I'll go to the distal. And this time, when I'm doing the distal, I'm going to have the polishing surface away from the handpiece.
And what RPM are you using right now, Dennis?
Yeah, great question. So this is going to be around 10,000 RPM. So more pressure, because we're really working to get the contour, but these can be a little bit aggressive. So you need to be careful not to motor these up too much, or you will lose your contour and your polish.